Hey everyone, welcome to GK Learn Library, where every video brings you something new, exciting, and worth your time. Question number 1: Who is the head of the Indian state? Correct answer B. President. The President is the constitutional head of India, while real executive powers are exercised by the Council of Ministers led by the Prime Minister. Next question: The Constitution of India came into force on. Correct answer B. 26th January 1950. On this day India became a republic, hence it is celebrated as Republic Day. Next question: Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer B. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the chairman of the drafting committee and is widely regarded as the chief architect of the Constitution. Next question: How many fundamental rights are there currently? Correct answer B. 6. Originally 7, but the right to property was removed from fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment, 1978. Next question: Which article deals with equality before law? Correct answer A. Article 14. It guarantees equality before law and equal protection of laws within the territory of India. Next question: Who appoints the Prime Minister? Correct answer C. President. The President appoints the leader of the majority party or coalition in the Lok Sabha as Prime Minister. Next question: The Indian Parliament consists of. Correct answer C. President plus Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha. As per the Constitution, the President is an integral part of Parliament. Next question: What is the tenure of Lok Sabha? Correct answer B. 5 years. The normal term is 5 years, but it can be dissolved earlier by the President. Next question: Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Correct answer C. Vice President. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Next question: Which part of the Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Correct answer B. Part 3. Part 3 contains fundamental rights enforceable by courts. Next question: Which article is called the heart and soul of the Constitution? Correct answer C. Article 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called Article 3 to the heart and soul because it guarantees the right to constitutional remedies. Next question: Directive principles are mentioned in. Correct answer C. Part 4. Directive principles guide the state in policy making to establish a welfare state. Next question: Which body conducts elections in India? Correct answer C. Election Commission. The Election Commission of India, ECI, is an independent constitutional authority responsible for conducting elections. Next question: Who can remove the President? Correct answer C. Parliament. The President can be removed through impeachment by Parliament with a special majority in both houses. Next question: Minimum age to become President of India. Correct answer C. 35. A person must be at least 35 years old and meet other constitutional qualifications. Next question: Which schedule deals with union, state, and concurrent lists? Correct answer C. 7th. The 7th schedule divides legislative powers between union and states. Next question: How many schedules are there in the Constitution? Correct answer C. 12. Currently, the Constitution contains 12 schedules. Next question: Who is the real executive head of India? Correct answer B. Prime Minister. The real executive power lies with the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. Next question: what type of constitution does India have? Correct answer C. Both rigid and flexible. Some provisions require simple majority, others special majority, and some need ratification by states. Next question: which amendment added fundamental duties? Correct answer A. 42nd. The 42nd Amendment Act, 1976 added fundamental duties under Part IV. Next question: which article deals with right to life? Correct answer C. Article 21. It guarantees protection of life and personal liberty, interpreted broadly by the judiciary. Next question: who appoints governors of states? Correct answer B. President. Governors are appointed by the President and act as representatives of the Union in states. Next question: which court is the guardian of the Constitution? Correct answer B. Supreme Court. It protects the Constitution through judicial review. Next question: what is the quorum of Lok Sabha? Correct answer B. 1/10. 1/10 of total members is required to conduct proceedings, applies to both houses. Next question: which amendment lowered voting age to 18? Correct answer C. 61st. The 61st Amendment Act, 1988 reduced voting age from 21 to 18 years. Next question: who can declare national emergency? Correct answer B. President. The President declares emergency under Article 352 on written advice of the Union Cabinet. Next question: which article deals with emergency provisions? Correct answer D. All of the above. Article 352 National, 356 State, and 360 Financial Emergency cover emergency provisions. Next question: which system of government does India follow? Correct answer B. Parliamentary. The executive is responsible to the legislature, which is the key feature of the parliamentary system. Next question: who decides disqualification under anti-defection law? Correct answer C. Speaker. The Speaker Chairman decides, but the decision is subject to judicial review. Next question: which feature is part of the basic structure doctrine? Correct answer D. All of the above. These are essential features that cannot be amended as established in the Keswananda Bharti case. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more updates.